Hello everyone, in this video I will show you that how can you enable vibration or haptics on silent mode on your iPhone. So you might be facing a problem where the vibration or haptics are not working when you put your phone on silent. So it's very simple. You can fix it by opening setting. Here go to sounds and haptics. Now you have to scroll down to last, and now you can see there is option of play haptics in silent mode. You have to enable this option. After enabling this option, your phone will be start vibrating in the silent mode. Make sure this option is enabled, otherwise haptics or the vibration will not work in the silent mode. And you can do is just go to your ringtone and vibration. Make sure that it's not selected to none. You can select the accent or you can select the default. So this is how you can enable the vibration or haptics on silent mode on your iPhone. Thank you everyone.